Welcome to the top best. The best Smirnoff is probably one of the most iconic and versatile vodka brands globally, celebrated for its consistent quality and wide range of flavors that cater to diverse palates and occasions, making it a go-to choice for both casual drinkers and cocktail enthusiasts seeking a reliable and enjoyable spirit that forms the backbone of countless beloved mixed drinks and shots. Number 5. Tovolo Sphere Ice Molds, set of 2. Elevate your favorite drinks with perfectly round ice spheres. They melt slower than regular cubes, keeping your whiskey, bourbon, and old fashions perfectly chilled. Savor every sip at the ideal temperature. These molds create spherical ice that slows dilution, unlike regular rock cubes. Maximize your freezer space with our smart, stackable design. Secure lids make them ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or any compact kitchen. Enjoy a mess-free experience thanks to precision-engineered silicone lids. They create an airtight seal, preventing spills and ensuring perfect ice spheres every time. Filling is effortless with a wide opening. Just fill to the line, freeze, and release for perfectly formed spheres. Crafted from durable, BPA-free silicone, these molds are built for daily use. The leak-proof design and water fill line ensure consistency and longevity. What we like. Create impressive ice that melts slower than regular cubes. This set keeps your favorite whiskey or cocktails perfectly chilled, slowing dilution compared to regular rock cubes. If you enjoy savoring your drinks and want to elevate your home bar experience, you should consider this. What people say. Smirnoff No. 21 is the world's #1 vodka brand, and it's easy to see why. It's triple distilled and filtered 10 times through charcoal for an exceptionally smooth taste. This vodka is perfect for mixing in cocktails, providing a clean and crisp base for any drink. Number 4. 4-in-1 Insulated Slim Can Cooler. Enjoy your favorite 12-ounce beverages, whether they're slim cans, regular cans, or even bottles. It can even transform into a handy tumbler for versatile use. Experience your drink staying refreshingly cold for up to 8 hours. The double-walled stainless steel vacuum insulation ensures every sip is as cold as the first. Using it is a breeze with a simple twist to load or unload your drink. Its non-sweat exterior and secure rubber base prevent slips and protect surfaces. Elevate your gatherings with this stylish accessory, perfect for BBQs, parties, or beach trips. It also makes a fantastic gift for loved ones. We stand by our product with a lifetime guarantee. If you encounter any quality issues, we're here to help with a refund or replacement. What we like. This 4-in-1 insulated cooler fits all 12-ounce beer bottles, slim cans, and regular cans, keeping your beverage ice cold for up to 8 hours. Its non-sweat exterior and rubber base make it easy to hold and prevent slipping. If you're heading to a barbecue, beach vacation, or game night and want to keep your drinks refreshingly cold, this is the perfect companion. What people say. The vodka is very smooth and has a clean finish, making it a great base for cocktails. Smirnoff No. 21 is a classic for a reason. It's versatile and mixes well with almost anything. I appreciate the crisp taste of Smirnoff. It doesn't have any harsh aftertaste, which is important for sipping or in mixed drinks. Number 3. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist and create unique, naturally flavored spirits right at home. It's the perfect way to personalize your favorite drinks. Discover a world of taste by infusing your spirits with 12 high-quality, non-GMO natural ingredients. You can craft everything from simple, single-note flavors to complex, multi-ingredient blends. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different combinations to create a signature spirit that perfectly matches your palate. Our recipe guide offers a great starting point for beginners. Wow your friends and family with expertly crafted infused spirits and cocktails. Serve up unique creations they won't find anywhere else. Go beyond the ordinary and explore exciting new flavor profiles that aren't available on store shelves. Create something truly special and personal. Presented in a beautiful gift package, this kit makes an ideal present for anniversaries, birthdays, or any celebration. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys a good drink. What we like. Create your own unique spirits with natural ingredients and any alcohol base. Choose from 12 different infusion materials to craft delicious combinations that suit your taste, offering limitless customization possibilities. If you're looking to impress your friends and family with homemade infused spirits or want to explore new flavors not found in stores, this is the ideal gift. What people say. Smirnoff No. 21 is the world's original vodka and is the #1 best-selling vodka brand in the world. It is a triple distilled vodka made from 100% grain-neutral spirits. Smirnoff No. 21 has a clean, crisp, neutral taste with a smooth finish. Number 2. Recess Zero Proof Craft Mocktails. Introducing a sophisticated way to celebrate without the alcohol. These craft mocktails offer a delightful experience for any gathering. Infused with beneficial adaptogens, these drinks are designed to help you feel your best. Enjoy a moment of calm and clarity. Looking for a non-alcoholic beverage replacement? This is your answer. It provides all the festivity without any compromise. Beyond a standalone drink, it's also a fantastic mixer. Elevate your favorite spirits or create unique non-alcoholic concoctions. Make every happy hour special with these refreshing options. They are perfect for parties, celebrations, or simply unwinding. Experience the joy of a festive drink anytime. This sampler pack ensures you have plenty to share and enjoy. What we like. Enjoy sophisticated, alcohol-free beverages crafted with adaptogens. These drinks offer a refreshing and mindful alternative for any occasion, from casual gatherings to celebrations. If you're seeking a delicious non-alcoholic option that still feels special and sophisticated, you should try this. What people say. Smirnoff No. 21 is the world's best-selling vodka and is the original premium vodka. It is triple distilled and filtered 10 times through charcoal filters for a smooth taste. Smirnoff No. 21 is the original premium vodka. Number 1. Ollie the Octopus, and his magnificent brain. Have you ever wondered about the incredible minds of sea creatures? Let's dive into the ocean and meet a very special octopus named Ollie. Ollie isn't just any octopus, he possesses a truly magnificent brain. It allows him to solve puzzles and navigate the ocean with remarkable intelligence. Join Ollie as he explores the vibrant coral reefs and mysterious underwater caves. His curiosity leads him on exciting adventures. Watch as Ollie uses his brilliant mind to overcome challenges. He's a natural problem solver, always finding clever solutions. Discover the fascinating world of Ollie's intelligence. This story celebrates the power of a curious and magnificent brain. What we like. This book features an engaging character and tells a story focused on brain development. It's designed to captivate young readers while subtly introducing concepts of learning and intelligence. If you're looking for a children's book that is both entertaining and subtly educational, this is a great choice. What people say. Smirnoff is a classic vodka that is smooth and clean tasting. It's a great mixer for cocktails and has a crisp finish. The bottle design is also very appealing, with its iconic red label. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.